In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a job board in Webflow. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then on the right hand side, you will see the tools section. About halfway down, you will see job board. I want you to click on that, which will then take you to the job board widgets page. From here, click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the job board templates section. On the left hand side, you have a bunch of different job templates that you can choose from, and then on the right hand side, you have a fully interactive and live preview of what the selected template will look like on your Webflow website. Now bear in mind that all these templates are fully customizable, both in terms of design and functionality, so they don't need to look the way they do right now. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. So yeah, go ahead, choose the job board that you like the most, and then go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Once you've done that, you'll then be taken to this page, which is where we can start customizing your job board to your liking. Now, the first thing you want to do here is go ahead and add all the relevant jobs to the job board. So click on that job right here, and then you can start filling it out. You have to provide the title, the company, the department, location, salary, type of contract, and then an application link as well as a description. You can add a cover here as well as a logo, and then you can also go ahead and add the desirable skills down here. As you can see, I've quickly gone ahead and added a random job here, and this is what it looks like for me. I didn't add a description or application link or a cover or a logo image as well, but you can go ahead and do that if you want to. Then once you're ready, click on done, and what you can do is basically go ahead and repeat this process as many times as you want for all the different jobs that you have and that you want to add to the job board. In my particular case, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the same job twice just so that the job board looks a little bit more full. But yeah, you get the point. Once you're done with adding all the different jobs to your job board, on the left hand side you also see layout, job card, appearance, and settings. These are even more customizations you can take advantage of to actually customize the job board to your liking. So the first thing you want to look at here is the layout. Currently, we are following the masonry layout, where you can also go for a grid, which keeps the positioning a lot more uniform. Then you can also have a list like this or a carousel. Then you can also go ahead and customize each one to your particular specifications. In my case, I'm going to go for the grid here, and then you can also change the content width, the widget title. You can set one if you don't have one. So for example, job board, just like this. Now the reason why I can't see the title is because the font is in black, which is the same color as the background, but we can always go and change that in the appearance. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. Then you can also add the caption here if you want, but in my case I'm actually going to go ahead and disable the widget title in general because it's not necessary. Then in terms of job card here, you can hide and show pretty much any element that you want. So if you don't want to show the salary, you can just simply hide it and it will be deleted like that, as you can see. Or if you don't want to show the location, you can just simply disable this and then the location of the job will be hidden. You get the point. It's all very self-explanatory. Then in terms of appearance, currently the color scheme of the job board is in dark mode. I can set it to light, just like this, and I will change the accent color to maybe blue, like that. And then at the bottom here, you can customize very specific elements of the job board, like the background, the job card, the buttons, the pop-up, and you can also add custom CSS. But yeah, as you can see, there's lots of different customizations you can take advantage of here. I'm not going to go for every single one, so I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on that website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your job board widget will be saved up. Bear in mind, they can always come back to Elfsight and make any small tweaks to the job board as you see fit in the future without having to start from scratch. From this page here, click on publish in the top right corner of the screen and you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Do bear in mind that it does come with some Elfsight branding that I'm going to show you in just a second. So if you want your job board to be 100% ad-free, or if you want to take advantage of any of the premium functionalities and features, such as getting more than one widget from Elfsight on your Webflow website, or getting more than 200 views. So for example, even the basic plan offers up to 5,000 views and up to 3 widgets. Then I would recommend you to go for one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options they can choose from. And if you decide to subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. So yeah, browse through the different plans, choose the one that works best for you. you. And then you'll automatically be taken to this page, which is where we can copy the code for the job board. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. Now, in my particular case, if I scroll on here, you can see that I've added a separate section. You don't need to do that, but I would recommend it because the job board can be quite big, so it wouldn't really fit, for example, right here at the top, and it could make it a little bit more cluttered. So yeah, I would recommend you to have a separate section for it, like I've done here. Then go ahead and highlight the section once you've added it, and in the top left corner of the screen, click on this plus icon right here. Then search for code, and then simply click on code embed right here. Then you'll see this window open up. Simply paste the code we just copied previously from Elfside, click on save and close, and all you have to do now is go ahead and publish the changes to Webflow, and then we're gonna go ahead and preview the website so we can see the job board live and in action on our side. So there we go. Here is the job board. As you can see, it looks super nice and clean, and it's fully interactive. This down here, by the way, is the little Elfside branding that I talked about. If that's too much of a bother for you, you can get rid of it by going for one of the premium plans, and it will automatically be deleted. As for this panel right here on the top, this is only visible by you just in case you want to go back and make any changes to the widget at any point in the future. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add the job board to Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.